G'day peeps, how are ya? Raymond coming at you from Australia. Got the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. Love this thing. Creator Edition's got the light mod, it's got the media mod with the external microphone, it's got the Volta carry handle with the big boy battery in there, and it's got the Enduro battery in here as well. Now I just want to talk about some of the essential accessories I think you should pair up with your brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black. So for me, that's $200 worth of accessories, $200 Australian in the box. Alright, so first of all, if you've got a bare bones GoPro, I think you should get the media mod. It's a must-have accessory. The light mod is a must-have accessory. The Volta is a must-have accessory. Pretty handy. It's got the extra battery in there, it's got the tripod, it's got so many features. The thing I really like about the media mod, not only is it super handy with the attachment and the two extra hot shoes, but you've also got a 3.5mm jack for that external Rode microphone, and you've got a mini HDMI cable so you can output to the TV or whatever, and it's got the USB-C port. Super handy, can't live without it already. Alright, let's look at some other GoPro mods. So I'm into mountain biking. Three essential items for mountain biking. So what I discovered, they've got this Butte sports kit. I wanted to buy a handlebar mount and I wanted to buy a chesty, and what do you know, they come in a kit and cost a little bit cheaper. Now the thing is, the handlebar mount fits on handlebars, won't fit on the big Fox forks on my mountain bike, so I've got the large tube mount so I can mount it down low on the frame on the mountain bike, pretty much anywhere on the mountain bike. Gonna get some ripper footage. Must have the three-way 2.0. So this is better than the original three-way, which I used to own until it cracked, because the three-way 2.0 it's got a swivel mount on top. You didn't have that on the original three-way. So yeah, very handy. Extends to about 1/2 metre, makes a great selfie stick, great vlogging stick, must have. Now this one is called Jaws. So it's got a clamp on it, clamp onto virtually anything, and it's also got a gooseneck. Super handy. So I've always used, in the past I've always relied on the Joby tripods. Probably still use them, but I'm going to try and rely on this a lot more. The Jaws won't do everything that the Joby can do, but it can do a lot of things that the Joby can't do. Last but not least, you're going to need 2 Enduro batteries. Now this is going to last quite a few hours, because when your Enduro battery goes flat, it'll be automatically charged by the Volta battery, and there's about 2.8 Enduro batteries contained in the Volta. However, I'm going to be putting this on the mountain bike without the Volta, so I do believe a spare battery will be an essential accessory. Now I went out and bought a second spare battery, so it looks like I've got 3 batteries. No big deal. I'm sure there will come a time when I use 3 batteries, maybe on a bike ride. A couple of accessories which I think are well worth considering, which I almost purchased. Well, I did purchase actually a GoPro Subscription. Well worth getting one of those because it gets you a discount on the Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. And you can keep it, or you can cancel after 12 months, but I'm sure after 12 months you'll be that reliant on it, it's going to be hard to cancel. Costs $70 a year Australian, whatever that is US, I don't know. And last but not least is the neoprene sleeve and handle. It's great when you want to just chuck your GoPro in your bag, in your handbag, in your pocket, wherever, and rip it out and do some naked GoPro shooting. No tripods, no attachments, no nothing. And I think the neoprene sleeve is going to work particularly well when you pair it up with the horizon lock. So that's all the accessories peeps I think you'll need to get up and running with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. Depends what activities you're into, but for mountain biking, beautiful. Alright, it's Raymond from Nice right now in Australia. I'll catch you later. Bye.